without no pities. Bitches I seem to ignore, cause they wanna get with this, get with these what, these nuts, that's what's up. Cause I simply just don't give a what, just don't give a and blanking out my words, I swerve, hitting the curve. People have the nerve to try to step up and get served, it's tragic. I've been bringing the magic since 7th grade, 11 years old, exposed to this game, and nothing gonna change. So my lyrics explain exactly where I'm coming from, where I'm going, my brain, my soul shall only know, as I just pick this flow from my mind on the time and trying to drop it slow. This criminal individual, soul lyrical, spitting up on the microphone, coming so spiritual. I'm dropping when I've been hip hopping and popping, when I've been popping and non-stopping, when I've been non-stopping, hitting fools up, not literally. I cross them out up on the wall with my alcohol so I can see. The next morning, I'm still there, hitting the vandalist, scandalous is walking around town without care. Man out to hit me and man out to get me. Yeah, ask the Lord, please forgive me because He showed me sympathy. Come get with me, Grim Reaper on my back. So when I react up on the mic, I attack. So reaching for my stack, reaching for my sack, put it in place just in case. No names, no colors, no race. Anybody hit me in the face, I'm hitting back. Pick up the mic, I use my tongue like a semi-auto Mac. Miggity, 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 Mac. Daddy, MC's out to give me click clock. I guess they had enough of me, but I'm straight hitting the hip hop non-stop up on the zone, picking up microphones, entering homes, meaning your heart is already open. You're smoking, you're choking while I'm approaching. I'm ghosting, I'm straight noting up in my dome as I'm flowing. Just what I know, consume like Dr. Doom. My weapons go boom, nothing is going to come clear. I love your woman's rear. Don't let me watch it, check it out, show you what y'all about. Dang, it makes me laugh cause I last. MC's out to get me, they ain't got the balls to blast. People they wanna hit me, so I just ask the Lord. Thank you for my survival, another day I explore. As I creep on my rivals on the mic, picking my flows up, I wrap them up at night. So damn tight, I come corrupt. You better duck when you see me. You best believe I'm going to get you, and the sister that bewitches gonna make me my baby. I'm going kinda crazy, I guess I just don't give a fuck. Ending up like some shady, and I'm just cursing out my curse words. Blinking what I'm blinking as I'm thinking what I'm thinking. I'm proceeding when proceeding, and you're messing up the beat. While I'm walking down the street, I'm picking up the microphone, and I just creep just what I creep. Because the next man just don't understand. He stand where he stand, I just don't really care. It's just what comes near, just don't understand. Life ain't fair, so I've been spitting on the microphone to set things clear. I assassinate, create hate, in which I eliminate. Dealing with Lord's faith, and at the same time dealing with fate. Trying to participate in this knowledgeable, collegeable flow. That's the way it been, and that's the way it's gotta go. Woo! Dang! Dang!